You get 3 roof quotes. One is lower than you expected, one feels about right, and one makes you stop and read it again. Same house, same roof. So why are these numbers so different? Roofing prices aren't random. They're telling you something. The problem is most quotes don't explain what that something is, and that leaves homeowners trying to make a big decision without the full picture. Most homeowners compare roof quotes by looking straight at the final number, and that's completely understandable. Everyone has a budget and wants to make a smart financial decision. But a roof quote isn't just a price. It's a description of what will and won't be done to protect your home. When 2 quotes have different scopes of work, they aren't competing. They're describing 2 different jobs. A lower price doesn't always mean a better value. Sometimes it simply means less is included. Shingles aren't all the same. Even when the names sound familiar, some quotes clearly list out the exact materials that qualify for long-term manufacturer warranties, while others stay vague. That difference affects how your roof performs and how long it lasts. When a quote clearly lists materials, it's usually a sign the contractor's planning to install the system the right way. Not every roof comes with the same level of warranty protection. Some warranties only apply when the contractor's properly certified and installs the full roofing system according to the manufacturer requirements. Reading roof quotes isn't the most exciting part of the process. That's fair. But skipping the details is where unexpected costs can show up later. One quote includes deck inspection and replacement if needed, while another doesn't mention the deck at all. Clear quotes help prevent surprises. Vague quotes often create them. Some contractors build quotes using quick measurements or satellite images, while others also take the time to walk your roof and look for problem areas. That extra effort takes time, and time affects price. But it also leads to more accurate estimates and fewer surprises during the project. Those investments increase the cost, but they also increase long-term reliability. Lower prices aren't always wrong. Just be sure you understand the full scope of work that's being done. When you compare roof quotes, don't just ask which one's cheaper. Ask which one clearly explains how it's protecting your home. If you want to find out more about roof pricing, click the link right here. Next stop, a better roof.